Smoke Effect and Analogous Color Scheme Landscape by Makran Joshi. A watercolor tutorial. This is going to be a colorful painting dominated by analogous colors. For now, just remember that analogous colors are similar colors, but we also need to use tones wisely to make the painting interesting. And yes, texture is going to be a key factor to develop some parts of this painting into parts of attraction, a combination of analogous colors and texture. Let us call this a chart, and this is pretty important in order to make the most of it from this video. So we'll refer to this chart quite often during this video. We'll move from top clockwise. In this video, I've explained 6 points you can see on the screen with green background and 2 points with a yellow one. The points with yellow background are for you to observe yourselves. So once again, 6 points: smoke effect, analogous color scheme, texture, sharp and soft edges, cool and warm colors, tonal variation. These are the 6 points that I'm going to explain shortly. And in addition to these, there are 2 more points: brushstrokes and composition. I want you to observe these 2 points by yourselves so that you can make the most of it from this video. The area I intend to paint is wet. Note that the tree trunks are not wet, so they remain white, paper white. Remember this chart, we are already started including some points from this chart, namely tonal variation, analogous color scheme, sharp and soft edges, texture, and remaining 2, cool and warm colors, and smoke effect will be explained within a few minutes to come. Generally, in a landscape you have 3 layers: the background, the midground, and the foreground. Now we have started showing the smoke effect. It's pretty simple to show. You just lift some paint from the wet surface and you are almost done. So further developing the similar color scheme, tonal variation, and texture. Similar color or analogous color scheme aspect explained by using similar colors. Every color and combinations of different colors have their own tone. So please remember, please note it down that every time you apply a color to a painting, you are actually also Introducing a tone, because every color or color combination has a tone. Remember this chart? So now we are addressing the point cool and warm colors. We have a bluish gray, a cool color, in the company of really warm browns and yellow. This is a kind of contrast. And remember, any kind of contrast has the power to attract viewers' attention. Texture aspect explained here. Lifting color. Adding volume and 3D effect to the rock. Tonal variation is the key. I repeat, tonal variation is the key. Also making some edges sharp and soft. Some of them are sharp, some are soft. Brush strokes and handling brush skillfully is a skill worth learning. Smoke effect. Just further developing the smoke effect, making the contours of the smoke drawing blur or soft. Painting tree trunks. Wet on dry method. Yellow grass and stones to show that the grass blades are partially covering the bottom part of the stones. Develop the bottom part of the stones the way I'm showing now. Final outcome. Notice that I have added a few more tones in the dry yellow-brown grass. Further developed the rock portion in the right hand side top corner, added shadows of trees onto the ground, and added details like human figures, tent, and the other stuff used for camping. A quick recap of the entire painting process from the drawing till the final outcome. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the subscribe button so that every time I upload a new video, you are notified. I wish you happy viewing and happy painting.